Hello, David here from MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we're in our showroom. We have a 2024 Harris Cruiser 210, 21 feet. This is the new RPM chassis. We have a sage green with a metallic accent. This boat's loaded with options. Let's get up on deck and show you the rest. Okay, we moved up onto the helm here. We have a tilt steering wheel. We have our Simrad for GPS chart plotting and fish finding. All of our switches. Of course, our binnacle, lockable glove box, adjustable base for the captain's chair, in-floor storage underneath our feet, right in the center too. One of the features that we added to this boat is a power bimini top, so I can simply control the top with a button up here on the dashboard. Single lounger floor platform that will go completely flat, powered with the Mercury 150. This boat is currently in our showroom and available. Come down to MarineMax, we'll show you the rest of the boat. Thank you.